Have you ever wondered why some people instantly grab attention while others struggle to make an impact? And today I will share the proven strategies to make someone take a genuine interest in you. And no, it's not about faking who you are. It's about highlighting your best self and building a real connection. So let's start it. Step number 1. Be genuinely curious about them. People are naturally drawn to those who show genuine interest in them and ask thoughtful questions and listen actively to what they say, and everyone loves to feel heard and valued. For example, if they mention a hobby or passion, ask them what got them into it or what they enjoy most about it, and this is not only show you are listening but also that you care about their interest. So be an active listener, maintain eye contact and respond meaningfully to what they share. Step number 2. Highlight your unique qualities. To stand out, showcase what makes you unique, and this does not mean bragging. It's about letting your personality shine in a natural way. For example, share an interesting story or passion of your own, like a skill you have been mastered or a place you have been traveled to, and this will create the intrigue and give them something to connect with. Step number 3. Be confident yet approachable. Confidence attracts people, but it is important to pair it with a humility. And confidence shows that you are secure in yourself, while approachability makes feel others comfortable around you. For example, maintain a good posture, speak clearly and smile. A warm demeanor combined with a self-assurance is incredibly appealing. So confidence does not mean dominating the conversation, and it's about the valuing yourself while valuing them equally. Now move to the point number 4. Add value to their life. People are drawn to those who add value, whether it is through kindness, support or shared knowledge, and find ways to enrich their life in meaningful ways. For example, offer encouragement when they are feeling down, share resources to help them with a challenge, or simply be a positive presence in their life. Now move to the last but not least step, which is maintain mystery and intrigue. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once, and mystery keeps people curious and wanting them to know more about you. So share bits of your personality over time. For example, instead of oversharing on the first conversations, later save some stories or details for later interactions, and this keeps them intrigued and invested. So making someone take interest in you is about the authenticity, curiosity and the connection. So be yourself, show genuine interest and let things evolve naturally. So that's all folks. See ya in next video.